How to find Motel 6 occupancy rules for adults and kids. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. For the occupancy rules for adults and kids in Motel 6, there's officially FAQ, an official website, and the number of adults should include all occupants 18 years of age and older. All guests registering must be 18 years and 19 to 21 years of age required at some locations and must present photo identification upon check-in. Also, children 17 years of age and under are free when occupying the same room with an adult family member, and occupancy may be restricted by local ordinance as well. Generally, 1 or 2 persons may occupy a room with one bed. No more than 4 persons can occupy a room with 2 beds. And check-in and check-out dates that may be booked online varies by location and typically ranges from 14 to 60 days depending on applicable federal state as well. And this is how to find Motel 6 occupancy rules for adults and kids. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.